Okay, let's make a classic chocolate fudge cake. Combine 70 grams of melted chocolate and 70 grams of melted butter in a bowl and whisk them together well. Then add 10 grams of cocoa powder. Whisk it in. 50 milliliters of milk. Whisk it in. 20 grams of sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk them in. 2 egg yolks, and you guessed it, whisk those in. Now, sieve 50 grams of cake flour into your mixture. Keep tapping the sieve to remove the larger chunks of flour. When that's done, you can gently whisk everything together. Now whisk 2 egg whites in a bowl. Continuing to whisk, add 40 grams of sugar. This will create a soft and fluffy mixture. Spoon this mixture into your chocolate bowl, mixing each spoonful as you go. Now fill a small cake tin with your mixture, smoothing out the top, and then bake for 40 minutes at 150 degrees. Melt 120 grams of dark chocolate, pour over 80 milliliters of heavy cream, and stir the two together to create a chocolate ganache. Then, once the cake is baked, pour the ganache over the whole top side of the cake so that it spills over the side. Coat the top and the sides completely. Take your time to make sure you fill any gaps and fully cover the cake. When it's fully coated, it's time to decorate. Decorate with sliced strawberries. Fresh blueberries. And a few sprigs of fresh mint. Time to serve up a slab of your cake and enjoy it with your favourite people. This is a great treat that everyone's going to enjoy.